Welcome back to Health Spiffy, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. I'm Leo M, and today, we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked but is oh so important. How to keep your ears clean for longer. Yes, you heard me right. We're talking about those little guys on the sides of your head that help you hear the world around you. So, if you're ready to learn some ear-tastic tips, stick around because this is going to be an eargasmic journey. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of ear cleanliness. First off, it's essential to understand that our ears are self-cleaning organs. That's right, they have their very own mechanism for keeping themselves tidy and free of debris. But sometimes, due to various factors like excessive earwax production or improper cleaning techniques, our ears can get a little gunked up. So, what can we do to ensure our ears stay squeaky clean for longer? Let's find out. Tip number 1. Resist the urge to insert anything smaller than your elbow into your ear canal. Yes, you heard me correctly. Contrary to popular belief, cotton swabs or Q-tips should not be used to clean the inside of your ears. Why, you ask? Well, let me tell you. When you stick a cotton swab into your ear canal, you're actually pushing earwax deeper inside, which can lead to blockages and potential damage to your eardrum. Ouch! So, remember, the golden rule is, nothing smaller than your elbow goes in your ear. Moving on to tip number 2. Practice good ear hygiene by gently washing the outer ear with warm water and mild soap. This simple yet effective method can help remove any dirt or excess earwax that may have accumulated on the surface. Just be sure not to go digging around inside your ear canal with a washcloth or cotton ball. We want to keep things gentle and non-invasive to avoid any potential harm. Now, on to tip number 3. Keep an eye on your earwax production. While earwax serves an essential purpose in protecting the ear canal from foreign particles and bacteria, excessive buildup can lead to discomfort and hearing problems. If you find that you're producing more earwax than usual or experiencing symptoms like ear pain or diminished hearing, it may be time to seek professional help. A healthcare provider can safely remove any stubborn earwax buildup and provide guidance on how to prevent it in the future. But wait, there's more. Tip number 4. Avoid exposing your ears to excessive noise. Prolonged exposure to loud sounds can damage the delicate structures of the inner ear, leading to hearing loss and other auditory issues. So, whether you're at a concert, sporting event, or working with noisy machinery, be sure to protect your ears with earplugs or noise-canceling headphones. Your future self will thank you for it. Last but not least, tip number 5. Stay hydrated. Believe it or not, proper hydration plays a significant role in maintaining healthy ears. Dehydration can cause the earwax to become dry and hard, making it more difficult for your ears to self-clean. So, drink up and keep those ear canals moisturized and happy. And there you have it, folks. 5 ear-resistible tips to help you keep your ears clean for longer. Remember, your ears are precious organs that deserve a little TLC now and then. So, follow these simple guidelines, and you'll be well on your way to ear perfection in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Health Spiffy for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, take care of yourselves, and keep listening to the sounds of life. Stay spiffy, my friends.